Hi, my name is Steve Vogel. I'm with Eaton Corporation. I'm the distributor sales specialist, and my goal here today is to explain to you what the power of authenticity is. It's replacement breakers. We're trying to combat the third-party market. Currently, the third-party market, gray market as it's called, is selling about $175 million worth of aftermarket breakers per year. Gray market breakers aren't necessarily UL listed and/or an authentic Eaton product. An authentic Eaton product is one that is made and manufactured by Eaton. In the gray market area, there is breakers that are offered that are not UL listed to be installed in panels. Therefore, the risk being you install that breaker in the panel, you run the risk of possibly a hazard, a failure, or a fire. Therefore, what this does is now when you get involved with insurance companies and they find out that you installed a breaker that is not authentic, you now could be at fault for the fire, failure of equipment, and or other things that possibly could be disastrous.
With the gray market breakers, they're not guaranteed to be new breakers yet. I mean, they may have been made in China. They may have been bought from a contractor somewhere else that had excess inventory. They say new, they say refurbished. There is no way to refurbish these molded case breakers. What they do, wipe the dust off them. So you might be getting used equipment. It's just a risk that you shouldn't be willing to take.
Van Meter will have pricing that is competitive with the aftermarket online business that you are currently buying from, with the fact that they will also have same day or next day delivery in stock product.
We will tailor the inventory for you. So if you have a certain number of breakers that you use on a regular basis, we will move that inventory closer to you so you have same day access to it.
What we also have is what we call the Eaton Power Edge app. It can be used by a distributor or a contractor, either or. One of the benefits of the Power Edge app is it has an application on there that you can actually take a picture of the UPC code that is on the side of the breaker that will authenticate the breaker.
With the Power Edge app, we can easily identify that breaker if it's failed, whether it was bought through proper channels through distribution or whether it was bought through the gray market. I have seen where there was a breaker bought off the gray market. There was a shutdown to put that breaker in. The breaker didn't fit. When all the utility killed the power, so they had to turn everything back on. They came to me. We got them the right breaker. They had to do a shutdown all over again. It worked fine, went seamlessly. So there was added expense in getting that wrong breaker because then they couldn't return it either. We know for you that time is money. So what we want to help you make sure you get the right product for the right application. So it goes in the first time, it fits, you've got a complete job. You don't have to worry about manufacturing downtime. You don't have to worry about liability for damage from fire or overloads that aren't covered. Reach out to your Van Meter contact. We want to help you be successful. We want to help you be safe. Get us engaged.